Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a quiet space and your mic. Do this now so you don't waste time later. Once the room is treated, pick a microphone, lavalier for mobility, USB for simplicity, or shotgun for directional clarity, and set levels around -12 dB to avoid clipping. Then record a concise 30 to 60 second intro hook. Speak naturally and mark edit points with a sharp clap or a short verbal cue, because precise markers speed up editing. Now move into the core narration. Keep a steady distance, 6 to 12 inches, from the mic and use a pop filter so plosives don't ruin takes. Speak in short phrases, pause briefly between thoughts, and vary your cadence to keep the audience engaged. Make sure you monitor the waveform as you record. If you see spikes or if background noise appears, stop and re-record that line. This disciplined approach reduces editing time and preserves consistent vocal tone. Finish by importing audio into your editor and cleaning it up. Apply noise reduction, a low-cut filter around 80 Hz, and gentle compression at about 3:1 to even dynamics. Once done, align the voice track precisely to the video and place ambient music 12 to 18 dB lower than your voice so it supports without competing. Export in 48K HZWAV or a high-quality MP3. Make sure to listen on headphones and a phone. If levels sound uneven, revisit compression settings and rebalance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.